Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Start today. This will be European Central Bank meeting, the elections in Great Britain. So it's also the communist speech in the Congress and Russians problem. So this really lots of uncertainty right now among the investors. What will to expect? It really could happen. That's why gold market stands really close to the previous top and doesn't show any significant bounce. That's reasonable. Also, as you can see there, here we have the monthly pivot resistance one. The potential in the short-term perspective, as we said, we expect to see market around 13.13 first and next in 13.30 area. At the same time, today we still would like to share with you some moments that we see right now. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, actually, as you can see, retracement that we have discussed yesterday has happened. And here some kind of the brand body trade has started, but it has started really lazy. It's not really big action. And 4-hour time frame chart maybe is not as interesting right now as the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, guys, we see very important bullish moment. So we have the hidden bullish divergence with the MACD indicator. And usually this divergence leads to taking out of the previous step. So here you could see something of that sort. So here is also was the divergence. Hidden divergence the same, it's market taking out its previous step. Here something could be the same manner. But as right now some important event stands on the stage, and that really could become not just the taking of this top, but could become really significant action. Especially, I just suppose that probably will happen on the elections, because nothing else such as the European Central Bank meeting or speech in the United States is not strong enough to trigger the big rally in the gold market. At the same time, when the unpredictable results, some unexpected results from the Labour Party in the United Kingdom could become really more significant event. This really could trigger this really big rally on the gold market. And currently, guys, we see some hints from the technical picture that really could happen. Today's also we have discussed this moment in the daily video on the Great British Pound. That's why here, guys, actually difficult to call you to take any trades, because going short right now before the important events probably not quite reasonable. So that's why if you have no positions right now, it's better maybe to wait and make the final decision on what position to trade tomorrow. So currently, guys, we do not see any big chance for trading on the gold market. If you, of course, do not want to take the part in this uncertainty trading on the elections results, some kind of the gambling will be. But in this case, we call you to move your stops very significant, to reduce your trading volume in some times, maybe twice or 3 times per hour, and be prepared for a slippage from the brokers, because volatility could be really significant and gold market could show the very significant reaction on the results. So, but this, of course, is suitable not to everybody. So that's only if you are really ready to take these risks. So you could think about it, because that's the major driving factor right now for any market, and it's mostly will be the only issuer that we could trade today. But as I said, that trading is not for everybody. So because we do not have any clear technical issues that we could rely on, so some kind of the gambling will be. So let's see what we will get today by the end of the session, and see you tomorrow.